Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, please subscribe and hit the post notification bell. That way you're the first one to know when I post. In today's video, I'm going to be showing all of you how to do your eyebrows at home, from shaping them to tinting them on your own. Let's get into it. I got the Just for Men mustache and beard dye. So this is what you're going to need, and I got in shade Real Black. And then how I'm going to shape my eyebrows is using the Adrell Pro Brow Trim and Shape. So these are the main two things we're going to be using. So first, what I'm gonna do is shape and trim my eyebrows. I'm gonna use one of these. I did a video on this as well, so I'll put that up here so you guys can watch that. But I just like to use jelly so that way when I start to shape it won't irritate my skin. Alright, so now that we are all zoomed in, let's get started. First, you're going to use your jelly that I showed you. So I'm going to take some of this and I'm just going to lay it on like that. Basically, I like to tug the skin up and then start to shape it. So that's basically the shape I want right there. I'm gonna wipe it off with this. Look at all that hair that came off. I have not done my eyebrows and I don't know how long, so I'm really not surprised on how much hair is coming off. And usually I like to go like this and cut them or trim my brows, because look how much hair that is right there. Alright, so I think I'm basically done trimming the hair. Let's try to do this. This part underneath your eye is probably going to be the hardest to trim. So, now that this is done, I'm going to tint my eyebrows. Let's open the Just for Men's Beard and Mustache Tint. So when you open it, you're going to pull all this stuff out. So it has the color developer and then the color base. And we aren't going to use this because this is going to be way too much for our eyebrows. And then I believe it comes with some gloves, but I'm not going to use this because I'm good. Squeeze a line of color base tube into mixing tray. We're gonna squeeze a good amount in there. I would say that's just enough. Squeeze an equal amount of color developer into mixing tray. So the same amount right next to it, like that. You're gonna get the end of this and you're just going to mix them up like this. Let's go ahead and start doing this. I honestly didn't buy a new brush to fill in my eyebrows, and I totally forgot as I was driving back from Target to here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use this Real Techniques brush. It's a painted liner. Pick up this much. So right now I only have 2 minutes left, and look at that. There are a little bit of patches, but overall this is definitely the color that I wanted. Time is up. I'm nervous. It looks so good, guys. This is the final result. I love them. I will definitely be getting this color again, and I will leave the link in the description on where to buy them. I got everything at Target, but I am literally obsessed. I'm definitely obsessed with the way this looks. I won't have to fill in my brows. I'll probably just put gel in, but that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you do try this at home. You might save money. I know getting your brows done can get a little expensive, but thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.